It's a whole new weather pattern to wrap up spring. Here comes summer when the direct rays of the sun will hit the Tropic of Cancer. And in fact, this Friday will be the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. We've got a good Gulf wind coming in. Southeast is the direction, humidity is the result. You can see the flags left to right, and they die down right on cue. Look at that. I mean, honestly, 15 seconds ago, they were like straight out. So we get the occasional gust between about 18 and 20. Right now, about 13 miles per hour. 81 feels like 84. So the dew point close to 70 as a result of that south and southeast wind. Highs today, 94, Seguin and Gonzales. We did have a couple of triple digits down I-35, then also west at Del Rio, 91 Rock Springs. Bernie stopped in the 80s, 92 at Pleasanton. But for us, the 91 was 2 degrees shy of average. 103 stays in the books another year from 1934. All but an inch of this rainfall came last week. And now some compare contrast on what happened here last Wednesday night, technically Thursday morning. The rain started Wednesday night, and you can see that it's number 4 on the all-time deadliest floods in San Antonio history. This was amazing to see that this was in the top 5 with 13 lives taken way too soon last Thursday morning. And you can still see that we've got 2 years, 1913 at number 2, 1921 in September of that year. Those were both without the Almost Dam. A lot of that was water in downtown San Antonio, and you can see the number of fatalities compare contrast to what happened here last week. All right, so air quality, this is the time of year. May, the agriculture burn. June, we start getting the Saharan dust, but we're moderate, so we could be a little bit better. Saharan dust across the Atlantic into the Caribbean. But what's interesting, once into the Gulf, looks like it wants to take a harder right into southeast Texas and Louisiana rather than this far west in San Antonio. So for the short term, looks like it'll just keep the tropics quiet, but we won't have to deal with it too much in our atmosphere. Notice a good southeast fetch. That's going to continue to keep the dew points in the 70s. This humidity forecast has not changed. All the way through the weekend, we're expecting the dew points to stay tropical. Now, we did get some pretty good showers south of Corpus Christi. We had some pretty good rain near Houston earlier, but I'll tell you, with high pressure moving in now, it does appear that we're going to stay pretty quiet. Tomorrow morning will be cloudy, mid-70s to start your Tuesday, mid-90s to finish, and we'll get partly cloudy to even mostly sunny skies. Looks like the same on Wednesday. A few early morning clouds, no rain in the forecast for the next 48 hours as high pressure begins to build in from west to east. This ridge won't be too high this go around, but it'll definitely squash rain chances for the near future. 14-day forecast from beautiful downtown. We've got mid-90s through Wednesday, bringing in a chance of rain on the 19th at 10%. Friday the 20th at 20%. We'll keep it there. And again, these are little afternoon pop-up showers. This is not going to be significant. There's the first day of summer, and you'll see the first weekend, 92 to 93, isolated shower, again, possible. We'll hold on to those mid-90s. And that means heat indices 103 to 104. So please remember Project Cool, one of the most important initiatives every year here at KENS 5, where we join in with Catholic Charities and keep San Antonio's own cool this summer. But we need your help. You donate a brand new box fan to any San Antonio fire station. We take it from there. If you need a fan or you know someone, 211.